In today's video, I'll show you how to test camera in Microsoft Teams. So at first, just go to the top right and click on this three dot icon. From here, just go inside settings. After you're in settings, from the left-hand menu, just go inside device. Scroll down a bit, you're gonna see video over here. There's gonna be an option called test camera over here for you to test your cameras. But if you don't have an option, don't worry, you can do another way. So just go to your chat again. From here, you'll find an option called Meet. That's for meeting. Just go inside that and click on Create a Meeting Link. Just click on that and it will make you join a meeting. From here, you don't need to click on Join now. You just need to click on this to enable your camera and you will be able to see yourself here. Currently, I'm using OBS virtual camera, so it's showing the OBS one. But if you have an actual camera and if it works, it's going to show you in the preview. If you want, you can add filters from here as well. I'm not going to add any, so that's it for me. And if you want, then just click on cancel. And basically, that is how to test your camera on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.